We're Jonathan and Jennifer. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Where to Stay Around the World. And this is a new channel for us, and it's focused on where to stay on land when you're not cruising.
And how to find a place that feels like home.
And when we're not cruising, our philosophy has always been, when we're cruising, we're looking for opportunities about places, that we'd like to come back to. And in particular, places that we might want to do a longer stay.
Mm-hmm. So we use a lot of Airbnbs, but we also like guest houses and inns. Any place where we can get a local experience. We like Airbnbs because we have a local host that we can bounce ideas off of and get advice from. We like inns and guest houses because we really do get to meet people and we enjoy that. So this really is about embedding in a community and finding ways to feel like you're at home and maybe even sometimes better than home.
And for the most part, we tend to want to stay in smaller towns or villages where we are. We want to see some of the tourist sites and destinations, but as far as where we stay, we tend to want to stay in smaller towns and villages.
Absolutely. And we have just found it easier to embed in smaller villages. It's a smaller town and we can fit in a little bit more easily. And there seem to be a lot more opportunities. We can volunteer, we can attend clubs, we can do those kinds of things that get us meeting locals as opposed to just going out for dinners and going to tourist sites. We'll take you on tours of the homes that we stay in. We'll kind of give you the best and the worst and the things that you need to manage in every different place.
And when we can, we visit with the owners or the people that are running it for their unique perspective.
We definitely try and introduce you to the hosts or the landlords, whoever we have contact with.
I think it's interesting that when I look back at the memories from the last 3 years of traveling, so many of them are focused on the people we've stayed with. They're interesting people.
Yeah.
They've become friends, and there's a reason why we keep going back to some of our favorite places. Always seeking new places, because there are lots of those, but when we find somebody we really enjoy, we'd like to go back.
That's really true.
Enjoy.